What's popping, y'all? To all the bad biddies that's watching this video, I just want to let you know that your hard work, dedication, and love never goes unnoticed. Shout out to y'all. Y'all be baddies and mommies out here raising kids. Okay, period. What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up?
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
We're about to go out to brunch with my mom. I need to get to her house by 1 p.m. so I really need to hurry up and get ready. Let me show y'all the outfit. I have this dress from SHEIN and it's really cute. It's just like a cute little dainty dress, and I was so indecisive if I was gonna wear it with like my blue Tupperware bag, but I'm actually gonna do a different purse, but I'll show you guys in a second. Let's go ahead and get to getting ready, but before that, let me show you guys what I got my mom for Mother's Day. We have this bag. Now I was supposed to give her this for freaking Valentine's Day, but she never came. So it's like a little teddy bear, like a flower teddy bear, some chocolate. Also got her the YSL Libre. This is one of my favorite scents. I got her some custom bouquet of roses. Aren't these so freaking cute, guys? These are so freaking cute. So these are like all the gifts that I got her, and I think she's gonna love it. I'm about to go ahead and do my eyebrows. By the way, guys, how do you guys like these custom mirrors? Like, I think I want to start offering them like for merch, because I would love to see you guys like do your makeup and stuff with my mirrors. Today we're actually gonna go to brunch, and then later I'm going out with my friends, so we're gonna be outside, turn it up and all that good stuff. So I'm so excited for that. Okay, y'all, so I did a little something with my eyebrows, but we're just gonna do a quick natural beat today. But this is gonna be such a cute glam. Like, oh, this is a lot. This is the Kihels or whatever it's called moisturizer, and it is so like moisturizing and thick, which is good because today I really want to get like hydrated. Then for primer, I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer because we are going for hydration. So for foundation, because we have to be fast today, we're just gonna take the Fenty Beauty foundation stick, and I'm just gonna literally rub this onto the skin. It's a tad bit lighter than I would like, but I feel like I'll be able to warm it up or like contour. I don't know why, I really like the stick, and I might be a little delulu, but I just feel like it helps put my makeup on way faster. And then I'm just gonna take a brush and push this into the skin. We're just trying to get like medium coverage here. This is like light to medium coverage. I'm not looking for like a full like covered face, because I don't know, I just really want to give like natural and just fun and like a nice thin layer of makeup. For concealer, my Big Daddy concealer, which is the HourGlass concealer, and I'm not gonna put a lot though because I don't feel like I need a lot, but we're just gonna put it in the corner, and we're gonna lift the edges of the face. Then we're gonna put it a little bit on the nose, and that's it. I don't really want like the full shebang today. We're going to contour. I really need to bring some color because today I just want to look fun and flirty and just like, I just want to look like $1,000,000 right now. So I'm just gonna take this contour stick and we're just gonna work that into the skin. I'm really like emphasizing this, especially because I feel like I'm gonna also put a little bit on my jawline too. We're gonna hide that double chin. very. But we're also gonna do that because foundation is a tiny bit lighter for me. Just gonna tap this into the skin, girl. Don't mind me lifting the wig up, y'all. I'm gonna fix the wig. Do not judge me. But this is like a quick glam, especially like if you're a mommy and like you don't really want to do like too much. You're in a rush, like whatever the case may be. This is just gonna be a nice way to look put together, to look just done up, and you don't have to spend too much time, you know what I mean? Like literally after everything is blended out, all we're gonna do is literally, okay, under my chin looks a little crazy, so I'm gonna blend this down to my neck. But after everything is like blended out, we're literally gonna set, put a little blush, because I definitely want to be like a nice cute blush bronze girl, and we're gonna be done. Go ahead and just hit this nose contour real fast, and then we're gonna blend out our under eye and set everything in This is like the fastest makeup look ever, girl. Like, the Juvias Place Radiance Booster Foundation. I think this is like shade 3. This is such a beautiful shade to bronze like my face with. I love it. I love the color of it. So now we're gonna just blend out my under eye. The HourGlass concealer is that girl. Like, she makes the makeup look so freaking good. It is such a must-have. It is expensive now, I'm not gonna lie, but like, do y'all see how good I look right now? Like, the quality of your products, like, it really do be technique, because I still be looking like a baddie when I'm using like the Fit Me foundation with the e.l.f. concealer and like, you know, like inexpensive products. But I'm not even gonna lie to you, girl. Like, when you'll see how effortless your makeup looks. It don't take much for it to look good when you invest inside your kit. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I do want to have a more full coverage look under my eye, so I just popped a little bit more concealer, and we are just gonna blend this out. I feel like when I start talking like very slow and calm, that's a sign that I need to start moving fast, because like, I'm actually like super excited, because after our brunch, I know I'm gonna have really fun at brunch with my mom today, and then after I know I'm going out tonight, and I'm just gonna be outside, and I'm just gonna be having fun. And Simba just ate his food, so he's feeling good. Like, everything is just good. Whatever's left over on my sponge, I'm just gonna put it on my chin. I don't know if y'all peep, but I didn't put concealer on my chin today because I don't need like all of that today. Okay, so this is what the face is looking like. I'm feeling like a little like, girl, you always look like this, but I do. What can I say? What can I say? I'm just gonna use blush Lily Glow. I'm gonna use that. I really want to get the original formula, because I look at this shade of pink, y'all. Like, this shade of pink with this shade of blue, so cute. But I put a lot because the Glow formula I feel like is way less pigmented than the original formula, and I really want to get this color payoff. Like, I really want that like baby pink blush today. I've been so into the baby pinks. Like, pink is my favorite color, but y'all already knew that. Okay, perfect. And we're just gonna bring it a little bit down to the apples, but I like to keep my blush a little bit directly under my eye a little bit, because it helps me look very lifted. Like, it really changes the structure of my face. So now we're gonna set. I need to get a new setting powder. Oh, I do have one. I forgot I bought the Huda Beauty. Sorry, y'all, I put my makeup kit on the floor because I ain't had no space on my counter. I've been getting ready all day. Okay, so let's open this up. How do you open this? Okay, so we're just gonna pour this in the back of my hand. Oh, that pours out a lot. Okay, so we're gonna use this to set. We're gonna use a powder puff to set. So I'm just gonna make sure under my eye is blended one more time. There's no creasing. Now I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty. This is in shade, I wanna say banana. Which is pretty light for a banana, but I think like sugar cookies, like pure white. But cause banana like be having like that heavy yellow. But yeah, we're just gonna push this into the skin under the eye. Ooh, we look so good. I'm gonna take some more powder. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm really liking the Huda Beauty. Like, look how that just set my face in. That looks really good. Okay, so now we're just gonna, because I use the one size and definitely the Laura Mercier. Like, Laura Mercier had me in a chokehold. But I'm not gonna lie, Huda Beauty, she's eating right now. She's eating. So while that's we're gonna push that into the rest of the face, because it's just kind of like sitting there. We're gonna take some more powder and we're gonna bake a little bit, because even though I do want to maintain like kind of like a natural beat today, I still want it to be like, set, because I'm gonna be outside today. So we really want the face to be set, and like whatever like left over on the powder puff and like on the back of my hand is just a little bit. We're just gonna set the rest of the face so nothing is like moving. Like, we really want it to be locked in, even though we like hydrated with the primer and hydrated foundations and concealers and everything like that. Like, nothing was like on a mattifying formula, but we still want to make sure our face is like set. We're gonna take a contour palette, and I'm just gonna take this shade right here and just set my contour. I like to look very warm. This is not like a bronzer. I don't think I have a cream bronzer with me, so we're just gonna have to take a powdered contour to warm up our face. which is fine. I think this is still a beautiful shade. I need to hurry up because my mom is ready and she's like, should I just go get a fry from McDonald's because I'm hungry? It's like, girl, can't wait a little bit? Who can't wait? I know my mom is not the only mama that is just so impatient. Like, she don't got no patience, y'all. None. Anything that you put a liquid, you want to set it with the powder. That just helps with the longevity. Also, I'm gonna clean up my contour, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more setting powder and I'm just gonna whoop, just like that. That's just gonna help clean it up. I don't like too much powder there because I feel like it's sometimes hard to dust away. I don't know where my other blush palette is right now, so we're just gonna use what we have. This is the Revolution blush palette, and I'm just gonna take the lightest shade pink, which is this one, and I'm just gonna set because we just really want to give light and dainty today. Now I'm just gonna dust away my under eye. I don't know if I have a brush to dust it away properly. I'm gonna take this brush. We're just gonna use the tail end, or just gonna do. We're just gonna dust it. I'm not gonna put any liner under my under eye because I want my under eye to be like open, but I am gonna put my YSL mascara. My lashes are falling right now, but we're just gonna take my YSL mascara. Okay. Alexa, what time is it?
Good afternoon, Stacy. The time is 12:52 p.m.
Wow, we actually finished our makeup on time. Okay, I'm not a fan of the mascara that I just did, but we gotta commit to it because we already did it. I feel like my face is giving a little powdery, so I'm especially where I put the, I hate that look. Like, I hate that white line when I'm like cutting my contour. But now I'm gonna use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. That just sprayed like so crazy on my face. We're gonna let this dry down and I'm just gonna fix my hair real fast. Ugh, look y'all, I'm literally just ripping this off. First of all, y'all, it's okay, we family. I never cared, but I'm just gonna take whatever leftover foundation is on this. I'm actually gonna take a little bit more. Whatever's left over on my foundation brush, I just rub that on my wig. I'll wash that brush later. Okay. I'm gonna hook this in. Yes, and now we're just gonna spray down this way. This spray right here, it really helps with my hair looking like melted. Like, it really helps. So we're just gonna spray. I feel like I'm not that late. I told him 1. I'm on my way at 1. Not bad. I just like sprayed these edges. They're not like crazy, but now I'm just gonna poof this hair up. I want this hair to be like really big, like really big, really fun. Yeah, like something like this is good. I'll probably even poof it more. Like, I want really big hair today because I feel like that's just gonna look so fun and so cute. Like, really big poofy curls because they're like really defined right now. Like red hair in here. Oh my god, you guys see how cute this is? Like, look at how cute this looks. Okay, yes, this looks good. This is so cute. Okay, so for fragrance, we're gonna be using the new Valentino Aroma. It smells so freaking good, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all I'm obsessed, I be spraying a lot of my perfume, so I'm not gonna spray too much today. Oh, I smell like $1,000,000. We're gonna pair it with the YSL Libre. And for good luck, Ariana Grande. I feel like I always have to put 3 perfumes on. But Ariana Grande, oh, I smell so good, guys. I smell like $1,000,000. Oh, yes. Okay, that's the scent. We're nice, we're moisturized. We look good. We have our gold accessories. I'm actually gonna wear, let me show you guys. This is the dress. It's very cute. I'm gonna wear this with, let me show you guys. My white Hermes slides, and then I'm also gonna do this purse. I feel like that's gonna look really good together. And this is so cute. Okay guys, so let me just do one more thing. We can't forget the lips, so let's do the lips real fast. Today's lip combo, we're gonna be using the Juvias Place lip liner in shade Brownie, and then we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade Butterscotch, and we're definitely gonna be overlining today. And then now with the butterscotch. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. So cute, guys. I might throw gloss on it, I might not. But we're pretty much ready. You know we gotta add the lip combo in there. And I'm also gonna take the powder puff. I'm also gonna just take the setting powder too, because y'all, I'm trying to have a time tonight. Like, I'm trying to turn up, so we gotta make sure we on point. But yes, y'all, so I'm about to pack up my mom's stuff real fast and get out of here. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the restaurant. Bye guys. Hey y'all, come spend the day with me while I take my mom on a date. Let me tell you something. As a service provider, if you know, you know, sometimes when holidays come, we can't really spend the exact holiday because we're booked and busy. But I took my mom to La Playa for Mother's Day. It was such a cute ambiance in this restaurant, and I had to surprise her with some flowers. I got her some custom flowers. Shout out to Flower Plug for these raw bomb flowers. Like, look at this, y'all. So freaking cute. She is so funny. She loved them. She was like, period. Also, I got her a little card. I had put money in it. Girl, why she almost dropped the money? Girl, who care about the card? Don't you want the money? But she loved it, y'all. Also, I had to get her that YSL Libre. Let me tell y'all something. This perfume is so raw. I'm obsessed with this perfume. Like, it's so good. Also, she's a chocolate girly just like me, so I got her like a little bit of candy up in there. But that Libre, girl, you need to get you some. Yeah, these gifts was hitting, okay, period. But after that, we just celebrated. Like, it was just such a good vibe. I felt like I was in Tulum a little bit with the ambiance of the restaurant. We was drinking. My mama don't drink, so it was kind of funny. But you know me, I be getting turned. I'm like, girl, you ain't know you raised a bad bitch. Yeah, your daughter is the baddie. But yeah, me and my sister, we were just taking shots and we was just having fun, girl. It was just such a freaking vibe. Like, I absolutely loved it, and she loved it herself. So yeah,